Today we are going to make Karyapak mutton. This is a different style of making. So for this we require 500 grams of mutton. Mutton should be small pieces, chopped in small pieces, cubes like small cubes. Okay. This is completely boneless. If you want, you can make with bone, or you can replace this with beef, with chicken. Today I am making mutton. Okay, half a kg, 500 grams of mutton pieces, half a cup of corn flour, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of color, 4 onion chopped slices, a handful of curry leaves, 2 green chilies cut into slits. First we will marinate the mutton. Corn flour, ginger garlic paste, vinegar, turmeric, color, salt. We will be adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder here, rest we need for later. Mix all the ingredients. Marinate this for half an hour. It's been marinated for half an hour. Keep a kadai, put oil. We are supposed to deep fry the mutton pieces. So add the mutton. Supposed to deep fry this until it is cooked. It's been cooked. Remove from the oil. If you want it, you can serve it like this also, like kebab. This is ready. You can serve this as it is, or now take a different pan, add oil to it. Add oil to it, add chopped onions, add onions and fry the onions until it turns light golden brown. Now see, the onion color has started changing it. At this stage we will be adding green chilies, split green chilies, and a handful of curry leaves. Handful of curry leaves. Add salt to it according to your taste. and fry. Now add the red chili powder. We had taken 3 teaspoons of chili powder. One I added at the time of marination. Rest I am adding here. It depends upon your family. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Now if you wanted, this is an optional, you can add some color, a pinch of color. Mix everything together. Now add the fried mutton pieces. Fry well. Now lower the flame and cook for 15 minutes. Cook for 15 minutes. Okay. See this? It is fried well and mixed well. See the masala? Onion also is fried well. Curry leaves is fried well. Now off the flame and serve hot. Serve with some onions, some curry leaves, chopped lemon,